Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Cook with Honey. So today we are going to make tandoori chicken pizza. So let's start. So first we are going to make our dough. So here I have 1/4 cup of lukewarm water and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. And I have 7 grams of active yeast. Stir and set aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Our yeast mixture is ready. So I'm going to pour it into our bowl. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add 1 cup at a time. And I have 1.5 cups of lukewarm water. So slowly we are going to add flour and water and keep mixing. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, 2 tablespoons of milk powder and half teaspoon of garlic powder. Our dough is ready and we are going to transfer this into a grease bowl. Just add a little bit of olive oil in your bowl so your dough won't stick to the bowl. And now we are going to cover it and let it rise for at least 2 to 3 hours. So let's start marinating our chicken breast. So I have 3 chicken breasts here. I have cuts in each chicken breast and now we are going to mix our marination. So I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of oil, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, allspice powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala, any brand, and 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Just stir everything and pinch of orange food color. And now we are going to pour our marination over our chicken. And now we are going to let it marinate for few hours in the fridge. So it's been 2 hours and now we need baking tray and cooling rack on top of it, and I have also put foil under. And just make sure to grease your cooling rack. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and we are going to bake these for 25 to 30 minutes. So our chicken is out of the oven. Now we are going to heat our coal to give smoky flavor. Here's our coal. So here is our foil bowl. We are going to put this in the center. So we are going to put our coal in here. We will put few drops of oil. And right away cover it and we are going to leave it for few minutes. So it's been a few minutes. Our chicken is ready. We are going to take coal out. And now we are going to slice this chicken breast and set aside. So let's start making our sauce. We need 1.5 cup of any brand of pasta sauce. We are going to add 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/4 teaspoon of sriracha sauce and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And our sauce is ready, set aside. So let's start making our pizza. So this is our dough, nice and puffed. We are going to sprinkle some flour on the surface. cut in half. Set one half aside. We are going to grease our tray and sprinkle some cornmeal over it. And we will spread our pizza dough. Now we are going to prick our dough with a fork. Now we are going to spread our sauce on top of our pizza dough. Not too much because you don't want to make your dough soggy. So we have 500 grams of cheddar and mozzarella cheese. At this time, you can preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we are going to spread our chicken. And I have red, yellow and green bell peppers sliced, jalapeno peppers, red onion sliced and black olives. And now I'm going to put more cheese. And I have some beef pepperoni and just little more sauce. And we are going to sprinkle some oregano on top. And bake for 25 to 30 minutes. This is the final product. If you like this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe. And enjoy!